Want to make money online without creating your own content? What if I told you there is a way to turn trending news into profit using nothing but Google News and a smart strategy? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people are leveraging Google News to generate passive income, whether it's through blogs, affiliate marketing, or even AI automation. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step blueprint to start making money with Google News, even if you are starting from scratch. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell for daily new money making videos. Without being said, let me show you how you can make money with Google News. Over $1,700 like within 10 days. I don't know why it's like this. I think I need to I've made over 1,700 within 10 days, and I never even withdrew this. This is what happened within 10 days, guys. I want to show you these methods, and make sure to watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any step, because I'm going to explain you step by step so that you can be able to earn this amount of money for yourself. What you are going to do, you need to come on Google and type Google News. It will bring you to a page like this. What you need to do is to come here to the latest. Like, you need to find a niche, whether it's a business or technology or entertainment or sports, sciences or health. But this time around, I'm going to focus on health. What I'm going to do, just come here and click on health and click here on latest. They will bring you to something like this. So this one is already posted for 2 hours ago. You can scroll down and see what's good. I think, let me use this. Alright, to have got this. So what we are going to do, we are going to come and copy this heading. Right click, copy, and you need to come here on YouTube. You need to come here on YouTube, paste the exact thing you have copied. Click there and click enter. So once you have clicked enter, you are going to scroll and find the video above 100,000 viewers. So there's this one, 1.7 million. That's quite good, but that one is a short video. We need a long form video. This one and this one is a short form video. We don't need short form videos. I think I'm going to use this one, something like this here. Click on it. After clicking on it, what we need to do is to come here on share and copy that link. After copying this link, we are going to use the website called Pictory. Pictory is an AI website that can create for you videos without showing your face. So I highly recommend to use Pictory, and I will leave the link in the description below. You can use it. It's free. You don't have to pay, though there is a paid version, but you can still be using the free version until when you start getting money. Then you will start investing yourself and start using the paid version soon. All we need to do is to come and click here, URL to video. Click there. The website is Pictory. Make sure to use my link in the description. Come here, paste your URL there. I don't know, I think I made a mistake here. Paste your URL there and click generate. Pictory is creating a video depending on the URL we have used here, so it's going to be the same. Let's wait and see. Wow, wonderful. Pictory is creating for you a script. The video is for 2 minutes and 60 seconds. All we need to do is to come here and click generate a video. Alright guys, now Pictory has created for us a video. All you need to do is to come and click here where is stylist. Click there and we are going to select a good, you can select whatever text style you need. So for me, I prefer using this one. I don't know why I prefer using this one, because this is what I used in all of my videos. Click there. I don't know why it's taking time. After clicking there, you need to, after clicking on it, you need to click on this apply to all scenes. Click there and you will see, you get a notification that the style green screen has been applied to all scenes. Then another thing we need to do is to come and play around with the voiceovers. We need someone who will be talking our videos. Click there on audio, then leave alone these premium videos because these are paid versions. Although I have paid versions, but I don't want to use my voice for this video. Okay, what you need to use is the standard videos because you don't have paid versions. But if you have a paid version, you can use this one. You can come and click. Let me test this and I see. Let us test this and we see how it sounds.
Video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Let's look this one.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Okay guys, you will have to choose any of the voiceover. You need to use this. Sounds like human beings. This sounds like human beings, not like robotic voices. So I have the voices that I mostly use here. That this is what I'm going to use. I always use this one.
Success does not consist in never making mistakes, but in never making the same one a second time.
But this one is for our paid version, so let me use this one. And after click apply. So it's already applied to our entire videos, and we are going to select the background music and click apply. The background has been applied, so you can come here and preview the video and see how the video is. If the videos are not quite well good, you can come here to visuals and select your own videos or select your own images here. As you can see, they have hundreds and hundreds of videos. I don't know why it's loading slowly, but you can come and select all the videos here, the videos you want. As you can see, you can come and select all the videos are called the videos about to health, videos about to make money online according to any niche you are in. Let's say for example, put your make money online. I don't know why my laptop is doing like this, I don't know, but put something like, sorry, make money, sorry, make money online, and you click search. Obviously they will bring for you videos about to make money online. So we need to come and click here to preview and see how our videos looks like. Click on preview here. Okay, you need to click here to play and watch how your video is. How it is. If it's not good, you go back and edit it. Let's start from the beginning.
Are you over 60 and feel like your metabolism is changing? It's time to take control. Foods that used to be healthy may now affect your blood sugar. But don't worry.
Okay guys, that's it. Don't mind about this. When you are downloading your video, this one will not come into your video even if you are on the free version. So our video is quite good according to our videos are about healthy something, how to eat healthy, something like that, and it's quite good. So all we need to do is to come here and click to download our video. Come and click here, then the video is processing, and I'll get back to you once the video has been finished to process. Now the scene has been created. Now it's going to generate a video to process a video. You can click here, then your video will be generating, or it is in progress. While your video is generating, you can go and be having a coffee, you can go and do other things. As you can see here, I have been using this Pictory. I have been using this software called Pictory for long time, and I have created a lot of videos. I don't know why it's doing like this. I must when I click here on show all, I want to show you that I'm still using this software, and I have used it to generate a lot of videos. So as you can see, I have how to make money online. I mostly use this Pictory to create videos on how to make money online, like online niche. As you can see, I have created a lot of videos here. I have created a lot of videos using this software. We have got a notification that our video has been finished to generated, so come and click here. Now we can come and download our video here. As you can see, now the video is downloading here. I don't know, check internet connection. If my connection is good, let me click resume. It's downloading to our browser. Okay, let's give it a couple of seconds here. While the video is still downloading, I want to show you a couple of things here. I want to remind you something. If you really think this video is giving you value, click that like button. It means a lot to me. Since our video has been to generate, you can click here and watch how our video looks like.
Are you over 60 and feel like your metabolism is changing? It's time to take control. Foods that used to be healthy may now affect your blood sugar.
Alright, that's how our video looks like. So the next part is here to come to YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube, make sure to create a YouTube channel and upload this video. The video you have generated, you upload it to your channel. It's very easy. I'm not going to walk you through on how to create a YouTube channel. All you need to do, go and create a YouTube channel for yourself. It's very easy, and uploading it's very easy. Put the descriptions, put the headings, and put everything you need. Put the tags. Let me show you here. This is my channel. I just recently opened this channel, but I'm posting videos every day, and I posted, like, as you can see here, this is what has made these videos are the one which have made me to make $1,700 within 10 days just uploading videos. And I don't know which videos got me sales here, to be honest. Yeah, because I don't run ads. So As you can see here, I'm uploading videos every day. So what I did is this, like I went into Pictory and I created like 30 videos at once. I created 30 videos in one day. Creating those videos, I came and I uploaded them to my YouTube channel. This is what I'm trying to, yeah. I'll click, I think it's content. Alright, as you can see here, all of I posted these videos will be like, this video will be posted on YouTube on the June 19th. We're not June 19th, and we are still we are in 19th May. So I have videos for the whole month here. I still have videos for the whole month. I never even posted them, but I did them once the time reach. YouTube give you that once the time reach, your video will be posted automatically. As you can see here, this one, when 20th of May reaches, the video will be posted by itself on YouTube. As you can see, I have a lot of videos like that can help me to do other things. So YouTube helps you to post the videos into YouTube, so and set those videos to the time and the date you want your videos to be posted. You can do the same thing what I'm doing and post like 100 or 30 videos. Just go. Alright, so guys, that's what I did to make that amount of money. And make sure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video, because it means a lot to me. I think that's all. See you in the next video, and don't forget to watch the video I'm going to put up here, and the video which will be next year, because they are really important if you really want to learn how to make money online. And my number one recommendation on how to make money online, the link is in the description below there. Make sure to click it, and I will see you there. Peace.